Red Deer Hospice is an end-of-life care center. Our goal is comfort and care, so not having heat or not having air conditioning can really have an impact. When we've called and it was an emergency, if there's a leak on a weekend, and always they're on a weekend, they have been here in record time. I know one Friday, it was Friday at 4 o'clock, and by 10 after 4, the truck was in the parking lot. I'll tell you a little story. We've got an ice machine, which is really essential to our residents. It's not covered under contract, but they will check it for us. Well, it was always leaking. There'd be a little trail. So they donated a brand new ice machine to us. We have been very satisfied because we just call one number now and it's looked after. It's just been a real relief to know that we've got that support.